Hot Mess Express YouTube channel. We are live on the scene yet again at another community festival down in Bloomington. It's the annual Bloomington Fete right before 4th of July. And this place is absolutely off kilt right now. And it's even bigger than you think. It goes all the way down the street. There's probably 30 food trucks. There's going to be fireworks later. And my kid's in here somewhere. I don't know where she is. She's in there dancing. She's going to go bust it down. And we're just going to have a rip. Here we are. We're at it again. Let's go, everybody. Happy Friday. Thanks for watching the Hot Mess Express. We'll see you guys on the next go-round.